Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to change the font size on any iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Write comments. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go with you to the settings on your iPhone or iPad. This method works on all models. Then we're going to go to the Accessibility tab. Here we find display and text size. And the first setting is larger text. And when you want to increase the text size, that is to change. Maybe make it smaller, you have to pull the slider to the left. And if you want to make it very bold, you have to pull it to the right. After that, the text will be like this. I'll leave the default in the middle, and that's good enough for me. If you want to make the font on your iPhone to be bold, you need to click this button at the top. And then the font on your iPhone will be bold like this. That's how we're going to bold all sorts of settings. If you liked and found this video helpful, be sure to write in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Give us some likes. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.